This is a tank. This is about 20 feet deep, you know. It's a very bad guy, you know. Watch him. Look at this one here. It's all about milk. Yeah, man. Whoa, I don't know what's going on over here. Oh my God. Alright. Stick and stay, my viewers. See what's coming next.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
What's up, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers? Welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. And at this time, it's all about we are inside. We are inside. Here is a view. Here is a view. We are inside the pig pen, all right? To see what's going on, stick around to see what's coming next, all right? Yes, my viewers, my lovely people. I'm here, I'm here. As you can see here, yes, wonderful, wonderful, don't it? As you can see, yeah, this is the mother of the pigs, of the piglet. This is the mother of the piglets, all right? Okay, and as you can see, she's into her caging. Let her give you a better view here. Yeah, she's inside of a caging, and her feeding. Her feeding is there also. I don't see her. Yes, her water is there. Her water is there. Here is her water pipe right here. All right. So yes, my viewers, she's here, and over here is the little baby pig feeding. Feeding panda. You see the little one there? You see him? Easy because him say him drink milk and come eat some feeding and him belly full up. My viewers, welcome back to the channel. You know, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. It's all about the pigs. This is where we get the pork. You know what I mean? The corn pork, the fresh pork. This is where we get the stew pork from. The jerk pork. Yeah, right here. All right? So yes, my viewers. As you can see, it seems like this area here is the area where the mothers are. You know what I mean? This is the areas for the mother. This is the area for the mothers. Alright? As you can see, this one. Whoa, very big. Hi, look at this guy here. This guy, he turn him back. Give me. Let me talk to this one here. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, man? What's up? Hey, what's going on? Yes, my viewers. Whoa. My God, she's relaxing. You know what I mean? Her feeding is there and her water is there, so everything is okay. You know what I mean? Alright? This is the third one down the line. My God. Whoa. This guy here is eating some extra feeding. Hey man. What going in? Who? No man, me's a Jamaican man. Oh, he might ask if me come from the state. No, me come from the state, piglet. My God. Yeah, that one is drinking milk. Whoa. My people, this is beautiful. Trust me. This is magnificent. Look at this guy over here. Let me zoom in and show you this guy here. Very relaxing. Whoa. Seems like he is drinking wine. You know what I mean? Yes. Well relaxing, man. Yeah, belly full of milk and feeding, so you know, you might relax. Alright, look on this one here. Hey, what's going on, man? This is what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about. You know, when you're warm and your belly full, you just lie down, relax, and cock up your foot. Don't it? Cock up your foot. Yes, my viewers. Yes. Right, that's the thing there. Yeah, my viewers. It's all about pig. It's all about pigs, my viewers. Yeah? My God. Yes, this one is also relaxing. I have some fowl here too, you know, some chicken here. Whoa! Okay, my viewers, let's go here now. Whoa! What's going on, man? I tell you now. Yo, I tell you. When you see things like this, it's all about money. You know what I mean? It's all about money, my viewers. Yeah? Oh, God. Come, hey, stop fight. Stop fight. Stop fight, man. Yeah, this is money, my viewers. All these here are money. You're looking at money here, right? Yeah, man. Yeah, you don't know. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Okay, this one is very huge, my viewers. Whoa. And this one have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10 little babies. Whoa. Yes, my viewers, 10 little babies, you know what I mean? Whoa. This one is very big. This one is very big, my viewers. Yeah, very big. Very big, very big, very big, very huge. And her water pipe is right here, you know? Yes, this is her feeding pan. Alright. Yeah, man. Whoa, look on this one here. He might drink milk, you know, but he might gaze. He might say, wait, how about the one? How about the one? Look, them look on it. Yes. This is what's going on, my viewers. Yeah, man. My God. Yo. Yo. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm going because there's a lot to go to, you know, there's a lot to go to, my viewers. Look at this one here. Very relaxing, you know. Her belly's full of feed and she drinks water already, so you don't know it's all about relaxing time. Alright? Stick and stay, my viewers. Yeah. Alright, and this side now, my viewers, I don't know this side. It seems like oh, this side is to prepare them for to have the little babies them, you know what I mean? Whoa, look at this one, my viewers. Look at this one. Very huge. So this one don't have any kids as yet, you know. Yeah, this one don't have any baby as yet. You know what I mean? It seems like this one don't have any baby yet neither. So right here, whoa. This one is very huge. Whoa, soon time for her to have her babies, you know. Alright. This one baby is out already. This one also. Whoa, my viewers, look at, oh no. Whoa, the little baby one them born already. Look at the little baby one them, my viewers. Look here. Whoa, magnificent. Yo, this is magnificent, my people. This is magnificent. This is magnificent. So, as you can see, the front of the pen of all the baby mothers, alright? Yeah? The front of the pen of all the baby mothers, alright? So, whoa, over here. What is going on over here? Whoa. Whoa, I don't know what's going on over here. Oh, some mothers over here. Seems like the mothers that have kids, you know, already. So them just put them here. Yeah. Whoa. Everyone eat them belly full and them are relax. Look at check this big guy over here. What going party? You good? Alright, alright. Don't want that more no say alright. No man, you're too big, man. You're too big. Good. Yo. Yes, these are some young ones. Whoa. Yo. 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 Yes, this is some more baby mothers. Some more baby mothers here. Whoa. My God. Whoa. Alright, my viewers. Alright, my viewers, some more here. Yes. What you would call this part of the pen now? The nursery. Yeah, this part is the nursery where all the kids, you know, all the baby mothers at. Yeah? Oh my My God, alright. Okay. This is where they grow up, the adults. Yeah, this is the adult pen, you know what I mean? Them grow up, you know. Yeah, teenagers, you know. Hey, what's going on, man? What you deal with? You know, so pass you and do a video. So you want to be the star of the show? Then you can come star it, man. Yeah. Yes, viewers, yeah. Seeing something like this, it's all about money, you know what I mean? Yeah? It's all about money. And check out the flooring, my viewers. Check out the flooring. Yeah? Alright, look at this guy here. This guy here, oh, me wake him up. My God, me wake him up. Me wake him up. He was so asleep. Yeah? Ah, look at this two here. Yo. Yes, my viewers, it's all about piglets. Yeah? Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Alright, this is the feeding pan. As you can see, this is the feeding pan. And as you can see, the feeding is up here. And then, so then eat out the feeding roll down back inside the pan there. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Whoa. Whoa, love this color. I love this color. But this one sitting on this one head. What's going on here? Let me ask him why am I do. Yo, where do you sit down for me virgin head? They were fight to come on. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yes, I. Yes, I. Alright, this pen is empty. Alright, it's all about the washing, you know? Yeah? Yeah, man, wash them down, you know? Yeah. Alright. Whoa. This is pork. Yeah, my viewers, this is pork. Whoa, this is the jerk pork. Yeah? Yeah, man, jerk pork. My God, the guy them asleep, them belly full. Yes, them belly full. Whoa! Whoa! Jesus God! My God, my Father! This one is very huge, my viewers. Very huge. That one I call pig. Yes, my viewers. Whoa, my viewers. My God. Very huge, ain't it? Yeah. Wow. This is what you call jerk pork. This is what you call jerk pork. Alright? Jerk pork. Yeah? This is where all the pork come from, alright? Yeah? My God. Yeah? The stew pork. Yeah? And the grilled pork. This is it. Whoa. 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 Very huge. Yes, I. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. I wonder if I can go on the other side there. Yes, my viewers. Stick and stay, my viewers. See what's coming next. Yes, my viewers, this is the tank. This is the tank, you know what I mean? This is the tank. This is about 20 feet deep, you know. Yeah, so when this full of water, yes, it's full of water and there is some fish inside here. I don't know, yeah? My God, but this is a whole heap of water, my viewers. So when the rain fall, as you see the top, there's a whole heap of water catch for the farm, alright? Yeah, man. Alright, look at these guys now. Look at these guys now. Yeah, craving for milk, you know what I mean? Yes? Look at this one here. It's all about milk. You know what I mean? The pig milk, nice, you know. You never tasted it before. Very nice and delicious, you know? Yeah, you notice how the pig them fat and look nice? Yes? Yeah, man. Yes, I don't know. Alright, my viewers. Stick and stay to see what's coming next. Yes. Look at this little rascal here, my viewers. Yeah. He's a very bad guy now, watch him. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. It's all about pigs. This is where all the corn pork and the jerk pork and the grilled pork come from, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So yes, if you're new here, my name is Everton, and don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? So peace, and I'm gonna be out for now. Stick around for a next video coming very soon. See you? See you.